guys, hello, welcome to a new vlog. By the way, I just finished organizing in the studio and getting things a little bit neater. I thought it looked cooler having these books instead of those boxes I had there. Just something a little bit nicer to look at. And I picked this up at Target, and look at this little handle. This is actually in the office section, so I put like my everyday products that I'm using, kind of the Shop My Stash items, that's complexion, as well as things I'm testing and just kind of currently working through in this drawer. Get it open here. See, I got the foundations in there. I got concealers, powders, and other foundation. Just things I'm trying to use up in my old Pear soap, and yeah. Stuff I'm just playing with at the moment as far as complexion goes, is in these items, and I just put those face palettes in there because they looked nice in there. And then up here I have my skincare. This is all like my daytime skincare and a primer. I think I'm gonna put the primer in the drawer. There we go. And yeah, I think this looks really nice. This is actually, I think, meant for like papers or office supplies, but whatever. And then I've got this one here that is a nice spinny guy. Look, it matches. How cute is this? So I got all my brushes right here. Super easy to get to and room to grow. It makes it look like I have so few brushes compared to what it looked like before. Some of my brushes are actually in the dirty brush box, which most of these need to be in as well. So yeah, and then we got the Shop My Stash stuff right here and some jewelry. So that has been my day, and I finished up cleaning the bathroom and organizing all that, which you saw in the last vlog. It's the same day that I ended the other vlog, but I wanted to get this done because I'm going to be filming and doing stuff tomorrow. But I wanted to, get this room looking nice before I do all that. I've just been on a real cleaning kick. I don't know what's gotten into me, but I'm, tired of dirty, I guess. Tired of things being not. So that's what I got into today. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming some makeup looks, and where's my coffee? That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to film a makeup look and do a wear test, and we're going to go to an arcade. So that is tomorrow's plan. This is all my hair stuff now, all nice and tidy and organized. Got tools in the bottom, styling products in the middle, and then hair accessories on top, and a couple tall things. And I gotta just straighten up back here a little bit, but I can handle that in the morning because now I'm ready to just chill out and be comfy. I've been busy for like the last 2 days, just constantly doing something, so it's time to just play some Sims. Alright, so we are about to cook dinner. I'm doing a ginger garlic stir fry in a bag because it's easy, but I did do something special. I have marinated some stir fry meat in Mike's hot honey, a little bit of sesame oil. This is the honey right here, the Mike's hot honey, sesame oil, and soy sauce. So I'm gonna cook this meat up real quick, and then we'll add the veggies, and I also have some steam buns to heat up. So yeah, let's get started on some dinner. It's the first time doing this, but my friend Amy had marinated some meat in soy sauce and honey, and it tasted really good. It's like, maybe we could do something like that, but use that hot honey, then add a little bit of sesame oil in there, give it a little bit of a bulgogi vibe. Alright, I'm going to add a bit of salt and pepper. And a little bit of Tony's in there. Alright, we got the meat good and browned. Go ahead and add my veggies in. I've also added some avocado oil in the pan so nothing burns and sticks. And seasoning packet there. We'll toss in. You can definitely taste the spice from the hot honey and sweetness. And it's very tender. And then a little bit like the nuttiness from the sesame seed oil in there. Oops. I think I put some garlic powder in with the marinade and a little bit of tahini. I kind of just put some random stuff in there. And probably a little bit of Tony's and salt and pepper before I cooked it. Now we gotta do the buns. I think it said cook these about a minute 40 in the microwave on a plate with a damp paper towel over top. So they have paper on the bottom there. How cute are those? Ta-da! There's dinner. Let's get that out of the way. Done. Of course, there's little vegetables everywhere because that's what I do. I'm messy. All right, let's eat.
It's a Powerball. My scam wore off. I don't like a vendor.
Your responsibility will reap great benefits if you listen to these words of wisdom from the all-knowing Zoltar. The best way to find a helping hand is at the end of your arm. Yes, you must work for happiness. So go on, take your two hands, eat some money out of your pocket, and let Zoltar tell you more. Your fortune is mine for the telling, and yours for the hearing. Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
What's that?
Zoltar speaks.
Cool.
Your fortune. A new turn of events will soon come about. A happy reunion with a loved one will make life all that you ever wanted it to be dreamed it to be. You have a very trusting nature and are easily taken in by so-called friends. Do not be so anxious to do favors unto others, as there is one who is just waiting to take advantage of your good nature.
He ain't wrong.
Good advice.